So I can see that they are in touch with their own internal selves and their outer world, and that's why the interactions with them come across as really confident and they know what they're saying. My name is Isha Priya Singh. I am a designer, design consultant. I also write about saris, textiles. So basically, I'm an independent researcher and writer, and my interest areas are, of course, Indian crafts, textiles, and aesthetics in general. I'm very excited to be here and very impressed by the kind of work that I saw today, especially by the foundation students, because as somebody who's been a design student, I can say that when I was in foundation, I could not have imagined doing this kind of work. It was definitely not this refined and presentable, so it's very impressive. The best part was that they are really aware. They seem to be in touch with their surroundings, with the world around them, and they have spent they've given genuine attention and time to observing things around them and then internalizing them and channeling them into design and art projects which reflect their wisdom and their creativity. It was really nice because like I said, that they are really aware. So there's so much that one can learn from the young generation, and these are young creative minds who are going to be the designers of the future. So I can see that they are in touch with their own internal selves and their outer world, and that's why the interactions with them they come across as really confident and they know what they're saying. So it's not like they're just trying to make stories. So I can say that today I learned from them as much as they must have learned from me. I don't think they've learned anything from me actually, but I've learned a lot today. I would say that I am somebody from the design community, and I've already said that I've benefited so much today by coming here because there are new ways of thinking, there are new ways of approaching subjects and topics, and how the young generation is looking at the issues that are relevant, that are important for today's world. It's something that I would want to learn from. So definitely there can be a exchange between the design community that's already there, established, and that's working, and between the students who are still to go out to the world. So their thinking has not been interrupted by or corrupted by the way the rest of the world is thinking. No matter how much advice somebody gives you, your journey is going to be your own, and it's going to be different, and it's going to throw curveballs at you, and only you would know how to deal with it. And you have to go through that journey to be able to become a person you want to be. So just do your thing, and maybe do listen to advice from people like me, but still do what you want to and what you think is right. मुझे तो लगता है कि अभी तक हम ये भी नहीं समझ पाए हैं कि डिज़ाइन है क्या. It's so difficult to even define what design is. Forget understand it and approach it and say that it's easy. And becoming a designer is a journey, and it takes a lifetime. And this is not a cliche. From my personal experience, I can say that even today, if I have to talk to somebody, I'm not very confident about saying I'm a designer because there's so much to learn still. And there are no rights and wrongs in design. And so you have to constantly adapt and change according to the world around you, because eventually whatever you do has to make commercial sense, has to make sense to the world.